Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Gina Salas. Today I'll be showing you how to make moi. I soaked the beans overnight. I'm making use of fish, which is mackerel fish, eggs, seasoning cube, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, BAWA, which is also known as SHOMBO for the color. I made use of prawns. I also made use of crayfish powder. I went ahead to cook my eggs. After cooking the eggs, I went ahead to cook the fish also. I seasoned the fish with salt, onion, seasoning cube, added water, and I proceed to cook the fish. I also made use of the fish stock in the moi making process. I unpeeled the beans. I soaked the beans overnight, so it was very easy for me to separate the skin. So it requires a lot of water in this process. The peeling of the beans should not be that perfect. With this is fine. The fish is done. I deboned the fish, then I scattered it. I added the flake fish, which is the fish I scattered, into the moi batter. In my blender, I added the peeled beans, onion, seasoning cube, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, BAWA, prawns, crayfish powder, warm vegetable oil so that everything can be mixed properly. After blending, I added it to a bowl, then I whisked so that it can be very fluffy. Thereafter, I added the flake fish to the moi batter. If you want your moi batter to be very red, add more SHOMBO, or you use bell peppers, and it's going to elevate the color and it will be very red, more than the way mine is looking. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, share the videos with your friends and your family. So I'm using these aluminum containers that has cover. I ensure to rub it with the vegetable oil so that when the moi is done, it will come off the container neatly. I divided my eggs so that it can go around. So just stay tuned. I'll be washing. So in the pots that you want to use in making the moi, ensure to just add little water so that the water will not enter into the moi that is being cooked. From time to time, check it when the water is about getting dry and the moi is not yet done. Ensure to add more water to it so that it can get done properly. So my moi is ready. See the way it is looking. You can use whatever thing you have. You can use nylon, you can use plastic, but I made use of this. My moi is ready and it's so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you want it to be very red, add more SHOMBO or you use red pepper base. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Bye.